DoorDash has become one of the biggest names in food delivery, dominating the market alongside Uber Eats and Grubhub. But in a world where convenience is everything, the app experience can make or break user loyalty. So today, we're diving deep into the DoorDash mobile app, the good, the bad, and what it actually feels like to use in 2025. When you first open DoorDash, it's hard not to appreciate how fast it loads. The app immediately locks in on your location and shows nearby restaurants in seconds. The design is clean, lots of white space, large food photos, and simple icons. It doesn't bombard you with unnecessary clutter, which is a big plus. The home screen features personalized recommendations and local favorites, and it feels surprisingly well curated. You're not scrolling endlessly. Instead, it feels like it's anticipating what you might want. One of DoorDash's biggest strengths is navigation. The layout is intuitive. Tabs for home, search, orders, and account make it easy to move around. The search function is powerful. You can filter by cuisine, delivery time, or even dietary preference. Plus, real-time tracking of orders is handled beautifully. Watching the little delivery car inch across the map feels more engaging than it should, and the ETA updates are generally reliable. Now onto the ordering process. It's smooth and consistent. Adding items, customizing orders, and tipping drivers is straightforward. Payment options are flexible, with support for cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and even DashPass subscriptions for free delivery. The user experience feels seamless, especially compared to some older delivery apps that still make checkout feel like a maze. But of course, no app is perfect. Let's talk about the frustrations. One issue that keeps coming up is inconsistent pricing. Sometimes you'll notice menu prices in the app are higher than what the restaurant charges in person. Add in taxes, service fees, and delivery fees, and suddenly your $12 meal costs $25. DoorDash has improved transparency about fees over the years, but it still feels like a hidden cost problem that frustrates users. Another pain point is reliability. While the app itself rarely crashes, order fulfillment can be hit or miss, and that experience is tied directly to the app's reputation. Missing items, incorrect substitutions, and long wait times can sour what's otherwise a smooth interface. When something goes wrong, customer support is mixed. The in-app chat system works most of the time, but responses can feel robotic and slow. From a design standpoint, DoorDash deserves credit for accessibility. Fonts are large, icons are clear, and color contrast is strong. That makes it usable for a wide range of users. Push notifications are also smartly tuned. You'll get updates on your delivery, but not excessive spam trying to upsell you every hour. The app also introduces limited time promotions effectively, often showcasing local deals in an eye-catching but non-intrusive way. Performance-wise, the app runs smoothly even on mid-range devices. It caches your past orders for quick reordering, which is a small but thoughtful touch. Battery and data usage are moderate, and map animations don't drain power like some delivery apps do. Let's talk about DashPass, DoorDash's subscription program. If you order frequently, it genuinely adds value by waiving delivery fees and lowering service costs. However, the catch is that not all restaurants participate, so sometimes you still end up paying extra. It's a classic case of great idea, inconsistent execution. Overall, the DoorDash mobile app is one of the most polished delivery experiences on the market. It's fast, user-friendly, and designed with convenience in mind. The issues mostly come from pricing and customer service, not the app's actual design or function. For most users, it's an easy, dependable tool that does exactly what you need: get food to your door fast. But it's also a reminder that great UX can't fix everything. Sometimes the business model itself is what needs the update.